Hello everyone, my name is Dan and I'm over here and dedicated to just help you make good amount of money online. That is more than $100 per day. You just need, if you have a mobile phone, you have a computer, you have a laptop, then you are just going to go with this one. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you one of the best platforms that you can just use to make money, that is clicking ads, watching YouTube videos and doing some survey questions over there. Watch this video until the end. Make sure that you just smash that red button down one over there to subscribe. Click the link in the description to like this video and also leave a comment if you just be having a question on this. So we are going to start this right after the intro. Hello and welcome back. So in this platform, this is the platform I'm talking about. It's just known as the Time Bucks. So make sure that you just watch this video so that you can maybe understand what I'm just talking about right over here. So as you can see, this is where you just monitor the amount of money you just earn in this platform, and then you okay, so this is where you all monitor. This is the first thing we just see over here, where you just earning this referrals program and all this earning you can just see right over here. So on the home page, we are talking about dashboard. This is where you just see just like the home page, we have earnings right over here. This is where you just see the amount of money that you can just earn. And the first thing when you just want to earn in this platform, I'm going to be first. All you can just do is to click earn, and the moment you just click earn, then it will just give you different options. What do you want to do? Do you want to do surveys? Yes, you just have to come and then click all these surveys. And the best thing you can just see over here is that we have a lot of surveys that you can just do and make a lot of money earnings. For example, this survey just takes only 7 minutes and you can see you're going to earn $0.7. So you can just do all these surveys. You can see there are a lot of surveys that you can just do over here daily, and it's just very easy. First of all, you just have to start with this, where you just have to earn a rate of $0.1. You can even filter your surveys right over here, but I don't think that is necessary, of which just do all the surveys that maybe you are interested in, and then you can just leave the others if you are not interested in that. So you can see surveys are nice to do over here. The next thing that you can just do over here, for example, if you just want to earn money, that is maybe watching YouTube videos and earns, you just have, remember, you will have clicked earn, and then it will just provide you with all this option. The best thing that you just want to know is that through all this option you are just going to make money, which means there are a lot of ways, even more than watching YouTube videos, more than surveys, more than clicking ads. There are more than those ways of making money online. So this is just the easiest platform. Even the simplest person can just understand how it works. Just register. My link in the description, it's in the description right over there, and the moment you just click over that, it will just take you over here. Come over here, fill, and make sure the next thing that you just do is click and file the document to your profile. And all you just have to do, you just have to go to the menu over here. You will see your name and you see your profile. Then you just have to set everything, and then you just be provided with many options. So after clicking whatever you are clicking, just click to the content, and after clicking content, you can see on the content you can just do various things over here. You can run sliding shows, you can click ads, you can engage by watching YouTube videos, push clicks and searching, and S1 task. Okay, so let's just click. For example, when we wanted to do clicks, let's see what happens. How much amount of money are we going to earn? So make sure that you just bypass this of the robot, and as you can see over here, I have 61 tasks to do and I'm going to earn this amount of money. Or you just have to click, let me just click this, you click view, and the moment you can see it is counting right over here to 10, and the moment it just finished, then you just be earning money out of that. So we have already counted and you already earned 0.0001. so this is what you have to view, because you can see a lot of ants running over here, like almost 15 of them at the same page. So they will be earning out of this, and they will be sharing commission to you, and that amount of money you have earned that. So that amount of money is just going to come to your wallet. It's just going to come to your Timebucks account. So you can see after refreshing the page, you can see it just reading again, that is 0.0002 right over here. So the money has just increased. So that is just the simplest thing that you can just do over here. You can see working over here is very easy. And the best thing also, the last thing that you can just do over here to make more money, of course, if you don't know maybe how to do survey and all that, just come click. It's just very easy. I'm going to show you. This is the first time you just sign up to this platform. It will take you to this home page, to the dashboard. Come and click earn. After clicking earn, then come and click task. Yeah, so you can see we are going to do a lot of tasks over here. That's why I want to show you. You can have a potential making more than $100. So you can see that this task over here, you can just do it in 6 minutes, in 10 minutes. That is all you just have to is Opinion Bureau. This you just have to sign to this website, and then you can just check the instruction over here. Go to that website, register, then go to this and complete the first survey with the real information, and then you just be earning how much? $1.125. So that's a lot. Maybe you can just do this type times this one. You do also this one with $1. You can just do 100 of them, and then you're just going to make more. You can see the ones with ones are many right over here, and guess what? There are a lot of them over here. Even if I just scroll to this page, it will not finish, because there are 100 of them, almost more than 1,000 of these, because there are so many. And guess what? You can just filter what you just want over here. Do you want the testing to be, that is website sign up between this amount of money, the platform that for sign ups, best earning, or the earning highest earning will rate, the newest? You can just filter all of that. The ones that have been one, you can filter them, and then you can just click start new survey right over here, and everything will just be downward over here. You will see what you have filtered over here, and this is the survey. You can just go through it and see what you have typed and requested for the platform to give you. And you can see there are a lot of things you can just do over here, and guess what? You can even play games in this platform and make money. How do you do that? Let's just go to the home page right over here and just show you. And as I said, just click, and I'm repeating this process so that everyone can just understand. And guess what? You just have to click games, and all you can just do is to play this game to a certain levels. You can see target, just get 25 scores, 100, and then you're just going to earn all this money. So it means that you cannot exhaust the amount of money they offer, they are giving you, because there are a lot of things to do. The last thing I'm going to talk about over here, of course, when you just be signing in this platform, you will just be engaged in a lot of works, because afterwards over here you'll see where you just have to be these are another questions where you just have to do a lot of things, because these are different companies, of course, are taxed over here, and this is where you just have be earning coin, and then those coin will just be transformed to be money. So there are a lot of things you can just do over here. But the last thing I'm going to talk about over here is through the referral program. Guess what? When you just invite your friends to join this platform, you're going to earn a 15% commission of what they earn. Assume now you just invite an active person, and then he every day is going to earn $100. Guess what? You'll be earning $15 per day to your account for free. Imagine you invite just a friend, he earns $100 per day, you get 15 every day. Anytime we just earn for example, he earn $10, you're going to earn $1.5. if you just invite so many people in this platform, that means you are going to withdraw your money very easy and make more money, which takes us to the another step. How do you withdraw money in this platform? Now the last thing we're going to talk over here is how to set your account and you can just receive your payment. And then you just have to do, click settings. You can see how I clicked settings right over here, and the next thing you can just do over here, make sure first of all you put all this information of yours so that it will just be very easy for you to add that, and then you can just check all this, make sure that you add all this. But on the payment method, there is a payment method right over here. Put the payment method, choose the payment method. You want to be paying through the pay, airtime, Bitcoin, Litecoin, owned, my payment. Let me just click Bitcoin, and then we just need the Bitcoin address. So the next thing that you just need over here, because we have clicked Bitcoin address, you can open one of the exchanges right over there, and you can just use Binance if you just want, which is be very easy for you to exchange anything over here. And the next thing you just have to click, when you have the Binance wallet, make sure that you click a deposit, and so that you can just get your Bitcoin address. It's very easy to do that. So I'm doing all this so that the people who are new maybe to this thing can understand. Make sure that you just know how to register to the Binance. I'll also leave the link down on over there, because this is where you just be receiving your crypto, and then you can sell this crypto to receive money to your M-Pesa if you're in Kenya, or bank if you're in any country. So I'm going to click Bitcoin right over here, and then make sure that you click the address as TRC network or Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right over here. Get address, okay? Then you just receive this address. So we have to copy this address. You can see we have copied the address, and now we are going to paste this address over here. So we copy paste this address, and then we update the payment method, put the PIN, and then confirm that you are not a robot, then update. You can see it has been updated, and yeah, so we have updating successful. So it means when we just make money over here, we are going now to withdraw our money. Direct money is going to come to our platform right over here. So it's just very easy. You can just use the link in the description to register to this platform. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure I check out that, okay? And yeah, so that's what I'm about. Make sure also you subscribe, and see you next time.